How to take screenshots on restricted apps on Android. The first thing you can do is use Google Assistant. For that, activate the Google Assistant by saying "Hey Google" or holding the home button. Say take a screenshot or capture the screen. Save or share the image when prompted. Next thing you want to do is enable developer mode. For that, head over to your settings, then go to About Phone. Now tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer mode. Once it has been enabled, head over to your developer options. Now look for the option Disable Secure Flag. If you find it, go ahead and enable this option to bypass restrictions. If this option is not available and you're not able to take screenshot using Google Assistant, then what you can do is use a second device. Use a second phone or camera to take a photo of your screen. This is a last resort method that's less clear but effective. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.